Now we are going to discuss about machine learning sentiment analysis on monkeypox outbreak, an extensive data set to show the polarity of public opinion from Twitter tweets. Now we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective is to analyze or predict the sentiment analysis for monkeypox related tweets by using different machine learning algorithm with a different feature extraction or vectorizations. Twitter is one of the most extensively utilized social media sites, and it is also one of the finest locations to get a sense of how people feel about events that are linked to the monkeypox sickness. To achieve this goal by using decision tree with DFT and count vectorization and random forest with TFT and count vectorization, when finally getting a result. Then we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score for above mentioned algorithm and compare the results, that is the accuracy based on all algorithms in the form of graph. Then the results are promising, assured that machine learning techniques would be used for the sentiment analysis for monkeypox. We are going to discuss about the flow of our project. Take a monkeypox Twitter dataset as input. We need to fetch the collected data by using pandas package. So the fetched data is carried to data filtering module. Here we can check any missing values is present or not in our data set. If you have any missing values, we need to replace that missing values by zeros for avoid wrong prediction. Otherwise, we can ignore that step. So the filter data is carried to text filtering module. So here we can remove stop words, jump words, punctuations, and tokenization padding. So these are the NLP techniques. After filtered, the text is carried to slicing data. So slicing data means we can split the whole data into test and train. Test data is used for prediction and train data is used for evaluation. The sliced data is carried to vectorization model. Here we can implement two different vectorization techniques such as count vectorization and TFID. The vectorized data is carried to model generation. So with the help of that vectorized data, we can implement a different machine learning algorithm such as random forest and decision tree. With the help of these two machine learning algorithms, we can predict either the input tweet is positive, negative, or neutral. With the help of the generated model, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, and compare the two algorithms based on accuracy in the form of graph. This is the flow diagram for our project. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. Here we are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the data selection model. Here we can select your input data by using pandas package. Next, handling missing values. These are the columns which is present in our data set. 0 indicates there is a no missing values for corresponding column. So it is a overall this is a no missing values in our data set. So it will be indicates for whole data. And the NLP. So before applying NLP, we have one sentence with some punctuation, special characters like that. So after applying NLP, so we can remove all the unwanted strings, unwanted punctuations, extra white spaces like that. Then tokenization. Tokenization means we need to convert your sentences into some tokens. Then sentiment analysis. We need to put up some polarity score. Based on that polarity score, we can define positive, negative, and neutral. This is the result for count vectorization that considers sparse matrix. So data splitting for count vectorization. This is the total number of data, distant train data. So the result will perform decision tree with count vectorization, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Then random forest with count vectorization, accuracy 99.9. This is the result for TF-ID vectorization. This considers a sparse matrix. Data splitting for TFT and decision tree with the TFT 98% and same random forest TFT getting a result. So this is a comparison graph for decision tree and random forest with count and TFT. Then prediction. So prediction negative, neutral. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.